Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Grove Collaborative. If you're not familiar with this company, it is a subscription service and it kind of talks about it a little bit on the cover here. You can explore healthy alternatives for like cleaning. They have all sorts of products on there, even like toothpaste, diapers, laundry stuff, anything you could think of. And it's a subscription, so you can adjust when you want it ordered, or you can set like your favorites to pre-send every 4 weeks, 6 weeks, whatever. I don't know. It's kind of cool. I do order from them periodically, and I'm going to show you what I got today. And I think I do have a promo code that I'll put below in case you're interested. I think you get some money off your first order. And you definitely don't need to keep your subscription going. I pause mine most of the year. I only get like 1 or 2 boxes a year, so you can do that as long as you remember. They do send you a reminder when it's getting ready to ship out. I always order the free and clear laundry detergent from them. And I've tried all different brands. I can't really use much fragrance with Jackson, or myself actually, because it makes me itchy. So I got 2 of those. And then, it's like a really tall, awkward box. I did get some dish soap. This is Mrs. Meyers, and where am I seeing the scent? Why am I, oh, duh, right here. Lilac scent, I was looking down here for it. I like the smell of lilacs. It's the only flower that I really kind of like. One of the very few, so I thought that would be good. Then I got Jackson some of his vitamins. They do sell these at Target, but sometimes it's cheaper to buy the stuff online. And then I also got the ones for Raylan. She hasn't tried these ones yet. She's currently using some Princess ones that probably don't have the cleanest ingredients in it. But this brand is pretty good. And this one is for toddlers. And it happens to be organic and vegetarian as well. So we'll see if she likes those. Oh yes, I also had to order her some more of this Tom's toothpaste. She hates anything that has mint. This is the only toothpaste she will allow us to brush her teeth with. Strawberry flavor has to be, or else it's not happening. And then I also got a free item. So that's another cool thing about this company. Whenever you have a certain amount in your shipment, you get to pick a free item. And there's normally like a handful of things you can select from. And I went with the dish soap since we always use dish soap. And this, I have not tried their brand, but this is free and clear. It comes in a cool kind of metalish bottle. So excited to try that. That is what I got today. Just got a couple things, not too much, but check them out. And like I said, if you're interested, there's that promo code below. And they just have a really good variety of stuff on their website if you like to online shop for stuff. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.